Hello everyone, I'm Riz Ang and I built a data platform. In today's video, I want to actually talk about that. What a data platform is and what modern data platform looks like in 2021. The reason why I want to talk about it is because I've been doing a number of different projects where I build a data platform and my clients, my work colleagues, and my friends, when they hear about a data platform, they tend to think about many different things, and today I want to talk about it. Before I move on, I want to share a quick disclaimer that all I'm sharing is all based on my own experiences, a few couple of years doing and building a data platform. So if you do have a different view of what data platform is, what data platform should look like, please comment down below. I'd like to hear what you think. Okay, so what is a data platform? In my opinion, data platform is a platform where data gets stored, transformed, where for data science, for data engineering, for data analysis, and then shared again after transformation to different people for different needs. So, and that's basically what data platform is. And in terms of what modern data platform looks like, now that's a little bit different. In one sentence, a modern data platform in 2021 is a cloud-based solution that is secure, scalable, and affordable. It brings all kinds of data together, like relational data, for example, SQL database, unstructured data, like Twitter feeds or this YouTube video, and semi-structured data like JSON file or CSV. And all that are turned into something more meaningful and usually consumed in a beautifully looking dashboards in, for example, Power BI or Tableau. Now, in terms of what in detail data platform, a modern data platform looks like, I'm gonna show you in my white canvas. All right, so what is a data platform design can look like? Now, this is my way to show you how. First, I like to break down this design into 5 stages from left to right. You see on the very left, we have data sources, ingest, store, transform or model the data, and then at the end, we consume. Now, in data sources, we have batch and stream. Now, this is following a best practice framework called Lambda architecture, where data could flow in 2 different kind of frequencies. So first one is a batch frequency where data flows in a daily, monthly, weekly frequency. And then at the bottom, we have the stream path where data flows in real time. That's why it's called stream or streaming. From data sources, we ingest them into somewhere, and we'll get to that, what tools that we can use these days. And from ingest tools, we store it so somewhere. And these days, we have a term called data lake. And data lake is basically a place where you can store any kinds of data. And data lake can handle no limit, basically. And especially in the cloud where it's very scalable. Once you store it, you typically want to do some sort of transformation, or I think the term is called ETL, or extract, transform, load. Or if you're a data science, you want to model it. You want to create a statistical model or machine learning model, and then you you use data with it. Or you can put this data and do a bit of transformation as well in data warehouse. You can choose that way. And with streaming, you have a stream processor where you could load the data, the streaming data, process it on the fly. And yeah, lastly, you consume this data in a tool or Power BI or dashboards, Tableau, Qlik or Looker, any other things like that. Now, logically speaking, this is how it looks. And not to forget, at the top, we have an orchestration where from end to end, there's a solution that orchestrates from the flow, basically. Logically, this is how it looks. Now, to show you what tools and technologies that can be used here, I mentioned a cloud-based, so I'm just going to mention only cloud solution from Azure, AWS, or GCP. In the batch, I'm just going to take some examples here. In the batch, we could have Oracle database, you could have Excel spreadsheets, or any kinds of files, really. Whereas in streams, you can have an IoT device sharing you some data in real time, or maybe Facebook comments there. At the top, orchestration. This is some of the tools that's quite famous there from the giants, the cloud giants, Azure Data Factory, AWS Glue, GCP Composer, or GCP Cloud Data Flow. I'm not doing justice here. I'm sure there are other good orchestration tool that can work as well. For example, Airflow is one of the good orchestration tool that is, I believe, open source. I haven't used it myself, so if you know, comment down below. And in the ingest, you have these tools that you can use to ingest data or load data into either data lake or the stream processor. For example, we have AWS Lambda, Azure Function, or Azure Event Grid for the streaming, or for GCP we can have GCP PubSub. That's just to give you an idea. And data lake solutions, the ones that I've seen quite a lot being used, AWS would be S3. Azure has a storage account, or now they call it Azure Data Lake. For GCP has GCP Cloud Storage. Now, when data are stored in the data lake, we can transform it, we can clean it, we can model it. And one of the many popular tools out there is Databricks, which is a Spark engine, curated Spark that's pretty popular out there. And for modeling, we have Azure Machine Learning, AWS SageMaker, and GCP AutoML. Just to name a few there. I'm sure I have not used or seen many of them, and feel free to comment down below. I'd like to hear what you've used. In the data warehouse, I've seen AWS Redshift as a popular data warehouse tool in AWS, BigQuery, Snowflake, and in Azure is Azure Synapse Analytics, my bad. For streaming, we've got Azure Event Hubs and Stream Analytics to process the streaming data. AWS similarly has got Kinesis Firehose and Kinesis Analytics. So Firehose, I believe, loads the stream data, whereas the Kinesis Analytics can make some changes to that data on the fly. And GCP has GCP Cloud Data Flow that can handle streaming data quite well. Just to mention as well, just because, for example, Databricks is not in the stream processor, it doesn't mean it cannot do that. Databricks can also do streaming, both batch and streaming. It's just a bit difficult to put it in all these boxes. Lastly, consume. I mentioned some of the dashboards there, like Power BI, Tableau, Looker, or Qlik. I think that's some of the big dashboards player in the market. And obviously, you can also output those data in a web app with API or some middleware in external systems. Yeah. Now, this is my high level view of a modern data platform can look like in 2021. I definitely have used some of these tools myself, and they're they really allow you to do a lot in terms of data ingestion, data transformation, and really present that data into a meaningful format, beneficial for the end users. That's all about my video today. What's a modern data platform look like in 2021? Let me know how and what data platform you have done or built yourself. I'd like to hear what you think, and I hope this video is useful. Like, subscribe if you like videos like this. I make videos about data engineering and also Microsoft Azure. That's because that's what I use the most. And yeah, thanks very much for watching. I'll see you next time.